let us discuss about machine to machine.
Revolutionize connectivity with M2M communication. Let's start with an introduction. M2M communication is the backbone of the Internet of Things, enabling devices to communicate and share data autonomously. Experience seamless connectivity. Devices talk to each other, transmitting data without human intervention, creating efficient interconnected systems. Access real-time insights, monitor and respond to critical data as it happens, whether it is an environmental change, supply chain updates, or machine health. Industry transformations from agriculture to healthcare, manufacturing to logistics, M2M enhance. Master predictive maintenance. M2M empowers businesses to anticipate and prevent equipment failures, reducing downtime and cost. Prioritize security. Protect data and ensure privacy. M2M communication is designed with robust security measures to safeguard your information. Drive sustainability and efficiency. Optimize resource usage and reduce environmental impact through intelligent M2M systems. The future is limitless. M2M communication is at the forefront of technological innovation, paving the way for a more connected world.